Yo, Birmingham, get ready. It's Juvenile live in concert at Club Volcano. The Volcano in Inns. Yeah, the Volcano is bringing you Juvenile December 14th. Also, Moneybags Entertainment presents the new group Overkill, performing their hit No Hand. Plus View Mob performing too. Come out and get your party on December 14th. Juvenile live in concert at the Volcano Club. And it's Miss Ingrid's, the bartender's birthday. And her Volcano family is getting it up in a major way. Juvenile live in concert. Also enjoy a live Christmas set from the lovely ladies of the Volcano. It will be a night to remember. Juvenile live in concert. Also Overkill and View Mob. It's all going down Friday, December 14th at the Tilt that the players built. The Volcano Club in Inslee.